I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Well, I got my faux fur. You can see this here. And I don't know if I can open this up a little bit here. Take a peek at it over there. It's getting real dirty before I start. Do you have a check? There we go. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's a long fur, but I don't know if you can see that. Right there. There's the. So this is all a brand new learning process for me. I'm going to put that right there. And probably move the camera at the same time. Anyway, this is the stuff right here that I'm going to be using for the belly and his face. I'm going to switch it up a bit. I don't even know how it's going to turn out. I have no idea what's going to happen. No idea. I just want to see this stuff here. These are supposed to be cut-offs, so I got a bunch of cut-offs. Now I'm just going to test a couple things here. Let's see here. I just want to see what happens. How it goes over. How it would if I put it on the one side, down for and around the face, kind of idea how things will work. It look like you have bangs and stuff. I don't know. Like I said, this is all new to me. I don't even know how I'm going to keep them up like that yet. I'll have to figure that out. Like some kind of a bracket. So if I'm going to do the fur on his belly in this kind of color, that would be kind of what I'm going to have to do. Then put the other stuff down. It'll be fun. It'll be different. Go back out like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this unit here. I'm going to cut a hole or a spot in this piece of styrofoam to help me out to do this project. Put that in there like that. Plug that in there like that. Plug in the battery charger. Plug this unit in here. And there we go. Now, I need to make an area to, let's see here. Let's see if that works. Let's turn that off. Let that settle. That'll work. Alright, this thing's still hot. Too bad. There it goes. A little further. Angle here. Put that there. Let's fire this up. Burning it in. There we go. There. That angle there. Okay, this thing always comes in handy. Love it. Just gotta make sure it's still hot. It's all good. Unplug it. Oh, that's hot. I don't know. Once it's ready to go. Whoop, we're ready. We are ready. Okay, we'll put some there. And we'll see what happens right off the bat here. Looking good. Good looking. That's cool. Shouldn't take long to dry, should it? Nope. Okay, so now we put it like that. And put some more there. And we'll work our way. We just gotta make sure we put this thing down so it doesn't. Then I got time to glue. Ah! This is all new, folks. All new to me. Doing my best. See what happens. Okay. Shoot, we need some more lighting. I'm gonna turn this light on. Let's see here. Where is it? There it is. Oh, that's bright. Is that bright enough for everybody? There we go. I'll change that lighting to it. There we go. That's better. Let's see what we can do here. We'll have to trim that back after. Let's put that there. Put that there. That's looking pretty cool. Now we got to get it down in this spot here so it shapes proper shape. Put that there. Get that in there quickly. There it goes on the toe. Like I said, we're prepared. Not. I'll have to go around after. I think I got more on that side than I have on this side. That's okay. That's okay. We'll start to move it a bit. We'll do our best. This will be our first one. This is like an experiment. This is more of an experiment than anything. I'll have to get underneath there later or trim it. That would be something to do. Yeah. Trim it. Yes. Okay. Well, at least it doesn't melt the plastic. We have to be quick with this stuff. And I have to mold it down in the neck. I'm liking it. Really am liking it. Let me see here if I can show you. Where are we here? Camera, yeah. So it's actually going in there quite nicely. Right back there. Okay. Now if I move this toward there, these are just cut off pieces that I bought at the dollar store. Oops. I don't want to waste time. So I gotta get that over there. I'm a little bit off, but it's not too bad. Trying to keep that from burning anything, plus keeping this going, following the shape. Actually, I'm liking this. I made this big pattern that I'll probably show, that I'm not going to actually probably use most of the parts, and I need more glue. That's two by glue. Put another one in. This glue gun's from the old days. Mrs. Vinster lent it to me. So far I'm liking it. I got a huge one out in the garage that I used for stuff years ago, but it's too big for a project like this. So I'm quite happy with this. I like this. I like the way this is going. I really do. I really like it. I'm having fun, actually. I'm going to straighten that. There we go. Now the reason I stopped here, I think you can see, yeah, so I'm going to bring the other piece this way so it bunches up the way the fur should be. I think I know that much. I think I know that much. Let's put some more here. Okay. And we'll mark, I should mark that before and just go like that. I think I eyeballed it enough. Okay, I think we'll unplug this for now. Let that cool down. I think we're good with this part. Yeah. Cool. Then I'll do it around the face, trim it, or whatever I have to do. Whatever I have to do. Trim it there. Trim it. I like it. See? I like it. You can do this like that. There we go. Alright.
Oh,
What do you think?
it's looking good. Yes, I think good. I'm gonna find a soft brush for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so we're getting the hang of it now. So I'm thinking that I'm going to finish this piece up here and I'm going to start recording, of course, still recording. And I'm going to end this video so that it's not too long and then we have a few different parts.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.